Let me introduce myself. I'm an MEP from Poland. Professionally, I'm a sociologist by profession, and I was elected for the European Parliament in 2004. And MEPs are elected for 5 years. So, the next election will be this year, the 7th of June. The 7th of June. What is interesting that the date of the election is the same for the whole European Union. There are 3 days for the elections: Friday, Saturday and Sunday in Europe. In Poland, we will have the elections on Sunday, the 7th of June. Poland will have 50 MEPs. Now, Poland has 54. We will have less because there are new member states like Romania and Bulgaria. So, we have to give some of our places to Romania or Bulgaria. And what is more, is that the Treaty of Lisbon is not ratified. So, we cannot have 51. In the Treaty of Lisbon, it was written that number of places is linked to the number of inhabitants, and it is written that Poland can have 51 MEPs. Well, it's what I said before. We don't have the Lisbon Treaty, so Poland will have 50 MEPs. After the elections, we will start the normal work of European Parliament. What does it mean, normal work of the European Parliament? I will explain it step by step. We start in July. In July, each party is starting, or not is starting, each party starts to count how many seats this party has. Of course, everybody, each of the member states, should declare to which political group he wants to belong. So first, we are counting how many members does this or that party have. And of course, we are counting the proportion. It's like, if some of the political groups has 51%, it means that this party is the winner. And this party can take all positions and of course everything, like if this party can have the president of the parliament, etc. If one of the party has 51%. If this party doesn't, if none of the political party has 51%, so it's necessary to create the coalition. The second step is the election of the parliament president and the vice president of the parliament. Next, we are deciding about the committees, different committees, and who is the president of the committee. There are several committees, like the Committee for Transport, the Committee for Culture, the Committee for Budget, the Committee for Scientific Research, the Committee for Regional Development, Today I am the Vice President or Vice Chairman of the committee. So we will see how many committees we will have. Each of the MEPs has to be the member of the committee. So we have two places in which we work. One is Strasbourg, and the second one is Brussels. So we go once a month or a week to Strasbourg, and we go 3 weeks to Brussels. We have the plenary session in Strasbourg, and we have the committee meetings in Brussels. So we go to the committee meetings, we prepare the new legislation, the new law. We are voting during the committees, but first we are preparing it inside the political parties. So first, the political parties are debating. The political party, they start to debate the whole new legislation. This is the political party meeting. When we are ready, as political parties, we go to the committees, and we are working in the committees from different political parties, in the committees in Brussels. Next, we go to Strasbourg, and we are debating during the plenary session. What is very interesting, that the question, of course, the question is who can speak during the plenary session. Each political party has a time limit. And now, who has more time to speak? Who wins more, gets more. The political party who won the elections has more time than the others. So, for example, the political party gets 20 minutes. The second political party can have, for example, 15 minutes, next one 10 minutes, next one 5 minutes, and the smallest one 1 minute. Normally, we speak in our mother language. So, during the plenary session, I speak Polish. When the debate is over, we start to vote. We have the machines, we have the cards for voting, and the chairman of the meeting opens the voting. And the chairman of the meeting said, I open the vote. Or he says, the vote is open. The vote is open. So we are pushing the buttons. We push the buttons, yes, no, or abstention. And of course, our heads of political parties, they show us how to vote. They show us how to vote. It means that the whip officer is someone who controls the others. So the whip officer who sits on the first row is like here, someone in the first row. He shows with his finger how to vote. When he shows like this, we are voting for yes. Like this, we are voting for no. Like this is abstention. Let me summarize. The work of MEP consists of several activities. First, working in political groups. Second, working in committees. Third, taking part in the debate, in the plenary sessions. Next, taking part in the inter-parliamentary delegations. And very often we are going to the member states with something what we call study tour. Is it clear? Yes, right? Okay.